For this part you don't need a puppet, just a sock. And if you have more than one, even better. We're going to explore what happens when something simple comes to life. Start small. A little movement. A breath. Look at it and wait. You might notice a moment when it seems to look back. That tiny moment, that's not technique. That's connection. And if you have more than one sock, invite a child or someone else to join you. Give each person a sock. Don't plan anything. Just start. Move a little. Watch what happens. Do the socks greet each other? Do they argue? Turn away. Start to play. Observe without trying to control it. What do you notice in yourself? Do you want to teach, to fix, or do you start to feel curious? That's the essence of relational puppetry. The puppet, or even a sock, becomes an entry point to connection, a way to see what happens when we stop leading and start noticing. The puppet doesn't give us control, it gives us curiosity.